Hi guys, in this video we will see how to install Windows Malicious software removal tools KB890830. This is the Windows latest update and you must install this update in your system. Go to Windows Update and first check your update history. It's such type of updates installed or not. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find other updates, and here you will see navigate and find Windows Malicious software removal update installed or not. If you don't found update here, then manually download and install it in your system. How to download and install it in your system? Launch Google Chrome browser or any other preferred browser, and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and choose the first appeared result, Microsoft Update Catalog, and here in search field type the desired KV update KB890830 and click on search, and a list of such updates is available here for other Windows version. So you choose the update as per your system, operating system, or simply download and install it in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process.